How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get six-pack abs, a step-by-step workout at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps the channel grow. So you put your hands on your stomach. Now what you're going to do is you're press air out, and then you're going to suck your stomach back in. You're going to squeeze your abs hard. So 1, 2, 3, press out, suck your stomach back in. 1, 2, 3, press out, suck your stomach back in. 1, 2, 3. Now, when you suck your stomach in, you have to squeeze hard for 3 seconds. If you do not do this, this does not work. Now, it's going to take about a week or 2 to really get good at doing this. Like, your abs right now should be on fire from doing this. If you're like, hey, this is super easy, you're doing it incorrectly. And I thought the same thing when I first started doing it. I'm like, this exercise is super, super easy to do. It's actually very difficult once you know how to do it. I've been doing this for 5 years. So it's not just something that I think, oh, this might work or might not work. It works. Again, if it didn't work, I wouldn't be doing it for 5 years straight. And my abs are absolutely shredded. Like, they are shredded. You can look on my Instagram, Dillenberg999939, and you can see how shredded my abs are. I'm sitting at like 9-10% body fat. So again, this is a stomach vacuum. This was used in the 70s and 80s with the old school bodybuilders, and like every single bodybuilder did this. Like, this was a staple in their routine. Nowadays, like, nobody does it, which I don't know why. Probably because there's a lot more fancy or like cool ab exercises to do. There's a lot more ab machines now. So I think that definitely has definitely affects it. Keep going. Perfect. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.